Hi guys, good morning. So today is a tattoo day for me and I am ready for tattoo thing. That would be my third tattoo and I love doing tattoo. I'll let you know from where I'm getting the tattoo done, and he's an expert in making tattoo. So first of all, honestly, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि यार अरे it's not painful. I mean इतना दर्द नहीं होता. So yeah, उतना दर्द नहीं होता, but थोड़ा तो होता है. By God. So also I would say guys, अगर आप कोई भी tattoo बनवाते हैं, so it has to be related. I mean जिस चीज़ से आप ज़्यादा रिलेट करते हो आप वो बनवाओ. एंड मैं जो टैटू बनवानी चाहिए दैट विल बी रिलेटेड टू मेकअप. अभी तक तो ये कंफर्म है बिकॉज मेकअप इज समथिंग आई कैन रिलेट फॉर माई लाइफ टाइम. लाइक फॉर लाइफ लॉन्ग आई कैन रिलेट टू मेकअप थिंग्स. एंड दिस इज द लिप शेड. व्हाट इज दिस? I think I need a touch. Okay, so this is the lip shade by Wet n Wild. Give Me Mocha. That's the best nude color and it looks so stunning. And I'm wearing a normal casual thing, like this is my gym wear and these are my flip-ons from Bangkok, a normal shrug and this look. That's it. So I'll see you. I will be driving right now and the place is in Sushant, Gurgaon. I will link in description box, also the contact number, price and everything. So I'll see you at the setup. So I'm all set to go to the tattoo shop and I am with my cousin. I'll make you see her also. Say hi. Alright, so we both are going, like this is her first time but this is my third time. So yes, we are excited. डर लग रहा है आपको? बहुत. Alright, so okay. So the place I told you, it's in Sushant Lok and his Instagram account is a permanent tattoo, so you guys can just check it out. And I'm also following him on the Instagram. You can also follow him. Now I'll see you at the set. Okay, bye. So I've reached the place. It's a permanent tattoo art, and it is in Sushant Lok, Block C, right?
Block C.
Sushant Lok, Block C. Yeah. So we are very nervous, right? And पता नहीं क्या, मतलब मुझे तो अभी भी फिर भी थोड़ा डर लग रहा है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. इनका पता नहीं इनको कितना डर लग रहा है. ऑलराइट, सो वी आर रेडी एंड लेट्स गो.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're out like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic when you roll with us. And we won't live forever, but I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. And everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer.
Let's go.
Me है मेरे हस्बैंड और मेरा नहीं वो करा है फिर
पटली बाय गॉड. ऐसा लग रहा है मैं ब्लड डोनेट करने आई हूँ.
Since day one, something's been missing. I know it's time to transition to a new kind of way and let the passion come out. I'm a dreamer. Time slows down when I am singing my heart's true song. Comes when I'm dreaming, I know what it takes. I need my soul to scream out. I'm a dreamer. I need to choose, need to decide. Time to stand up, jump to the other side.
मेरी मशीन भी.
You can say hi to my camera.
Tryna put him in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than the church shoes. Really point to just to hurt them. All red lamps to tease them. None of these toys on lease to. Made the whole year in a week too.
I'm excited to see the outcome basically.
You're a pretty little star boy. Every day somebody tryna test you. Every day somebody tryna end you. Pull up in the road to rescue you. Pockets overweight, getting hefty. Coming for the king, that's a far cry. Come alive in the fall time. No competition, you don't really listen. In the blue moon slum, bump a new edition. Hustle if you need a centerpiece. 20 off the table, cut from Avenue P.
So I'm done with the tattoo. कितना टाइम लगा हमें tattoo बनाने में? Approximately
45 minutes.
just 45 minutes and I'm done. दो उतना पेन नहीं हुआ बट जब रब करते हैं it was very very painful and the tattoo is so fucking good. we will be bandage. अब इसको bandage करेंगे उसके 1 घंटे बाद we'll remove it and I think उसमें wash it
with normal water and
हाँ.
apply AN joint और tattoo को.
okay so उसमें ज़्यादा पेन होता है जब वो रब करते हैं ऐसा तो sure.
Yes, just with normal water.
Okay, so guys, आपको अगर जब भी tattoo होना, he's the best person. So I am also following him on Instagram, and you can also follow me. He's too tall. You can also follow him on Instagram, guys. Shout some love, huh?
So better I'll say.
Yeah. So please shout some love, and my sister is getting tattooed at that corner, so I'll make you see her also. But he is an amazing tattoo artist.
Thank you.
देखो हम बर्ड्स दे रहे हैं आपकी बहन को उड़ने के लिए विंग्स.
How painful it was, दीदी. आपको फर्स्ट टाइट है ना, that's why. अभी सेकंड में ना मतलब
Let me in this mess I'm falling now. Can't find a reason why. Can't get any closer.
So we are done with the tattoo thing and आपने क्या लिखवाया?
It was very painful. Wish kush.
Yeah, that means
Vishal plus Khushi.
Yeah, so I'll explain you. Vishal is like my Jiju and Khushi is obviously her. So I'll reveal the tattoo in a post. So stay tuned for the Instagram post, guys, and do follow and subscribe. Hi guys. So the tattoo should be always relatable, like I told you earlier also. So in which ways I can relate is the channel name is Vaidehi Wine, so my tattoo significance is like V and V. Also the tagline of my Vaidehi Wine was be bold and beautiful, so the tattoo significance is like V and be bold and beautiful, and also something related to the makeup. So you'll see the complete picture on my Instagram, so please don't forget to follow and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please press that bell button so that whenever I upload a video you get a notification for that. So I'll see you super soon.